For the ancient Greeks, philosophy was a shared and daily practice. Knowledge and love of wisdom were acquired through libraries and the great masters. Today, we have an almost infinite amount of information, and learning opportunities are endless. The real question now is no longer what, but how. How do we distinguish between what is valuable and what is not? How can we ensure that we are accessing accurate information and reliable material? Imagine being able to access the best videos in the world, starting from philosophical videos, selected and organized not by an algorithm, but by a group of scholars, a polis. Imagine a virtual space where each topic, each teaching is selected on the grounds of sound academic reasoning and consideration. In the digital world, we need real experts. Imagine that this space is open and available not only to beginners, but also to experts, creating a network that connects students across the world. We call it PhilVideos, made freely available to all, anywhere.